1340 KDLM Hodgepodge. Joining me in the studio today, I've got Debbie Janzen and Nathan Hoff, and they work with the QWERTY Robotics program here at the Detroit Lakes High School, and they're currently in the midst of raising funds for the program. And I'm going to have them tell a little bit about the grant that you're going for, and also a little bit about the program. And it's been going on now for about 4 years in the area, and we'll get an update on that. So who wants to go first? Debbie.
Okay, well, you're right. This is our 4th year working with the kids on QWERTY Robotics, and we're very excited. We've been invited to by the Western Canadian Regional First Robotics Director to come and compete at the Olympic Oval in Alberta, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So we are raising funds for that. Very pumped, but we're also currently seeking some support from our community for a grant that we have written. It's a multifaceted grant, and what we are asking the community to help us with is to go on to www.follettchallenge.com, and that's LLT, follettchallenge.com, and look for our video named QWERTY is our name and robotics is our game. It's a popular vote video. The top video earns $5,000, and it's something you can vote every single day from now until March 18th.
All right, excellent. So the community needs to go on and vote, and then this goes towards this grant. How much is the grant for, or how much are you looking to raise through the grant?
The grant is for $60,000. There's 2 $60,000 grants, and then subsequent smaller grants that you can get, and then you can win the $5,000 grant by having the highest votes on the video. And I checked here this morning when I got to work, and we were, I think, 14th or 15th out of 110.
Wow.
So we're doing all right, but we need a lot more support to get that 5,000.
You're going against teams nationally.
Yeah, well, yes, and it's not just, we're not going against robotics teams. This is educational programs that are implemented in various school districts across the United States. We just happen to be the only robotics program that wrote the grant for this.
Okay. Well, let's talk a little bit about the robotics program and how it's really taken off in our community. And, it's just a multifaceted program, because not only do you have the students learning skills, but you also have the students, and now you have a few of the students who have graduated and gone on. And it's kind of a circular, they're giving back to the community, they're learning skills, they're getting some jobs, internships in the community, helping out local businesses too. So, Nathan, why don't you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, we've had 3 students graduate from the team now, 2 of which have gotten jobs within the community in engineering facets. One of them was an intern for me at BTD. One of them works at Team Industries. Then we had one other student that's still on the team that worked for CJJ doing computer-aided design. So, supporting the team, you're going to get it back into your company, definitely. The one that we've had at BTD was a huge asset this last summer. He's coming back again this summer. We're excited to have him back. And it's all stuff that they learned in the robotics team. It's stuff they wouldn't have had access to had the team not been around.
And you serve as a mentor, as do other folks from the community, the area businesses.
Correct. Yeah, we have, 6 mentors, I think, total, and about between 20 and 25 kids, depending who shows up that day. So we have a lot of support. We could always use a couple more mentors. It's a big time commitment, but it's well worth it.
And just to put a plug out there for mentors, we are always searching for a mentor that can help the students learn LabVIEW programming.
Yeah, CNC programming is what it is.
Okay, excellent. And so how many kids are actually involved in the program right now?
In total, we've had 39 kids that have been in the program in some degree. Right now we have 22 kids that are actively working toward going to this competition.
Okay, excellent. And that's coming up, you have your spring competition coming up quickly here.
Yeah, April 1st. First week in April is when we go to Calgary. If we qualify for the championship, that will be the last week in April down in St. Louis. And depending on how we seed in Calgary for the qualifying matches, we could qualify for the Minnesota State High School League Championship as well.
Okay, excellent. And Debbie, I was talking to you prior to our conversation on air about some of the kids that have graduated from high school and have gone on to college and are getting into, their careers, looking at what they want to follow, and it's helped them out quite a bit too.
It has. We've got 2 of the kids that graduated are in mechanical engineering majors at NDSU. With one of them has a minor emphasis in aerospace. Another one of our students went over to Concordia, and she declared her starting major as interest in pre-med.
Mm-hmm.
Pre-med. And the nice thing also about this QWERTY Robotics and their involvement with FIRST Robotics is the opportunity these kids have for scholarships after they graduate.
Mm-hmm. Right.
It's an awesome opportunity. And FIRST stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology.
Excellent. And I love the fact that there are both boys and girls. Is there quite a mix, or are there more boys than girls?
It's about 25% girls, 75% boys, and that's what FIRST sees across the board right now.
Mm-hmm.
There are certain teams. There's a team down in Minneapolis that's an all-girls team. So there's certain teams that focus one way or the other, but generally it's 25-75.
All right.
We're really excited. The first year we went to the competition. Second and third year, our team was represented at the international competition in St. Louis because we won in some capacity at the state level. So this year, being our 4th year, it'll be fun and exciting to see where things take us.
All right. Well, I want to thank Debbie Janzen and Nathan Hoff, who work with the QWERTY Robotics program here in Detroit Lakes, and have some information. They're working on raising funds, raising awareness for their program, and you can check out more. Get out and vote, www.follettchallenge.com, and check out the QWERTY Robotics program. Make sure you vote, the popular vote.
Yeah, and if you want more information on the team, you can go to our student-built and designed website, and that's at www.QWERTYRobotics.com.
All right. Debbie and Nathan, thank you so much.
Thanks, Carol.
Thank you.